Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat tenna li taħares il-qoddim sabiex malli tingħalaq l-investigazzjoni jagħti rendikont tad-deċiżjonijiet li ħa u refa' waħdu fl-aħħar xhur u ġimgħat. Il-Prim Ministru qal dan meta kienet jindirizza lill-ġurnalisti fid-daħla ta' Kastilja. Huwa rrimarka li l-investigaturi għandhom ir-riżorsi kollha possibbli biex jinvestigaw b'mod indipendenti u sansitra għandhom l-aktar għodda b'saħħitha dik tal-proklama lil dak meqjus bħala il-middleman biex jaslu għall-verità.
What I'm sure is that all the information is available to investigators. There is an independent probe that has already started since the past, I think, year or so. And that's not within my control or within the control of any government entity.
Dr. Muscat fakkar li anki jekk ħadd ieħor prova jpinġi stampa differenti dak li żviluppa fl-aħħar jiem wera bil-fatt li ma teżistix impunità fil-pajjiż.
What's happening right now and what has happened last week with the operation that's leading to hopefully solving the Caruana Galizia assassination shows that whatever people might say or think, there's no impunity in this country.
Il-Prim Ministru tenna wkoll id-deċiżjonijiet li ttieħdu juru li l-istituzzjonijiet jaħdmu u qegħdin jagħtu riżultati biex jingħalqu l-investigazzjonijiet.
The facts are that with the decisions that have been taken over the past months and days, we have shown that institutions in this country work, and maybe what people didn't, maybe some, even yourselves, never thought that there would be progress in this whole thing. It actually happened.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.